What's up, everybody? It's Joneser, your favorite comic book guy.
My name is Lyric.
We've got Lyric here, and we've got Masters of the Universe Origins Stridor.
And we got Munchie back there in Raphael.
Yep, Munchie's gonna sit this one out. He's having a snack. Anyways, we've got Stridor here, and let's Boy, we should really script ourselves sometime. You know, we just keep the mistakes in and everything, don't we?
Yeah.
Let's do it! What's up, everybody? It's Joneser, your favorite comic book guy. So let's do this! We're not very professional here on the Joneser channel, that's for sure. Lyric, how much do we practice before going into these videos?
So much. Last time we did not record. We forgot to.
We did the whole thing here, and we forgot to hit the record button. So that's like the most practice we've ever done. Usually we just kind of put the camera up, and what this gets is what it gets. And that is it. I don't really feed him lines. He just kind of does whatever he wants, paper bag, puppet and all. And we just do whatever. But anyways, we got us a Stridor here. Let's just get into him. So what do you see on the front of this box, Lyric?
It has some stuff that the old one did not have.
Like what?
Like this little sticker right here.
No, the old one had the sticker.
The tail looks different.
The tail looks exactly the same. It has the bits here in the front, and it has a different helmet. It also has got a stable, it looks like, and some blast pieces and all kinds of other stuff.
It doesn't work.
But you managed to point out the only things that were the same. Good job.
He also has these little, like, the thing in his, the orange.
The bit.
Yeah.
Bit in his mouth.
Yeah. What?
Well, let's move up to this artwork up here. What do we got here?
We got He-Man on the Stridor battling, I think Dragon something.
Dragon Blaster Skeletor in that Roton. It sure looks like it could be. That's some different armor. Now, it might be the Terror Claws armor. It might be the Dragon Blaster. I guess it's hard to say.
It looks like the Dragon Blaster because if you can see the Dragon Blaster up there and
Yeah, it might be.
And the little like thing right here you can barely see.
You know, you got Screech the Falcon there, Fisto there. What's this dude up in the moon? He's got wings and a spear and a shield. That is not Stratos, and that is not Buzz-Off. Who do you think that is?
Comment down below.
Yeah, comment below if you think you know who that is. Lyric and I are completely stumped. Anyways, if you flip the package around here to the side, you get some kind of weird monster with lots of teeth. And then you flip it to the other side, you got some other weird little dragon-looking thing with a horn beak.
Now let's turn it around.
We'll turn it around to the back. Oh yeah, awesome artwork here on the back is just something. I really love this artwork because, I mean, it really just takes you away to what planet Eternia must look like. I mean, you got like other planets in the background and volcanoes going off, and it's just this epicness. You know, it just really lets you know this is not Earth, you know, this is somewhere else. We got He-Man charging into battle. What?
I see something right here.
See something right there? Oh, look at that. Eagle Eye Lyric. It looks like that's where the artist signed it. How about that? You got good eyes, kid. Well, anyways, we'll go here to the side. It looks like we got the action features where you can replace with the second helmet. We can attach to the floor of the Castle Grayskull. We're going to definitely have to try that.
Yeah.
And he poses in the powerful battle positions. It looks like we get some articulation in the legs that the old one didn't have.
Mm-hmm.
And then here on the cross cell, who do you see, buddy?
I see some new people in here. I see Sorceress is new. Everything's new on this thing.
Well, we've got Buzz-Off, and we've also got Sorceress and Jitsu. We just haven't opened them yet.
We haven't even got this one.
We didn't buy Stratos because we already have him, and if he doesn't have red wings, I really don't care. We've also got Flying Fist, He-Man, and Terror Claws Skeletor on order from Big Bad Toy Store. So when they're coming in, we will definitely opening them up. But in the meantime, Mr.
Let's
Lyric,
get back into
Stridor. Should we open this one up? You're weird. Well, okay, we got Stridor out of the box, and he is looking snazzy. As you can see, he's got a crap ton of accessories with him. I mean, it's a stand and this gate and platform, the guns, the little blast effects, the extra helmet, the bit that comes in his mouth here. And I really wanted to show you guys this. I thought this was especially cool, how the bit goes in the mouth. It's got a little hinge there. That is super neat and super easy. You know, you can take the bit out, no problem, or put it back in there. We're using Castle Grayskull here as a background, which I thought was fitting because we could try to attach this extra platform. We'll stick our little fence piece in here, you know, which pops into place there. Pretty cool. And it showed that it attached to the castle, which I don't feel like it does. Maybe you just put it there and that's all right. We'll stick the little piece in and probably holds them in place. We can pop his guns in. All right, there he is. Pew, 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 right in your living room with the blast effects on the guns. The skinny side didn't go in. It was the fatter side, you know, probably so they can articulate up and down here. Maybe you could put the hero's hands on the gun there. We'll have to try that out. You know, I thought these blast effects, I don't know why they chose blue. They probably would have looked better red. Maybe it was for the clash of colors because there's a lot of red on them already. You could also, there's a third blast effect you could stick on the gun on his tail, which also articulates. But then also you can pop the helmet off. At least I think you can. Yep, you got the helmet off, and you could put an alternative helmet, which looks a little more warhorse-like. Very cool. So let's get Stridor with some different people here with him and put him in some poses and have some fun. Whoa, Stridor, whoa. There's He-Man there with Stridor in an epic pose. He's pulling on the reins there. You can probably see Lyric's little monster feet in the background. He's playing some Mike Tyson's Punch-Out. Anywho, I think they learned from their mistake there with Battle Cat with the articulation. You got articulation in every joint here on the feet and legs, which, you know, it makes me kind of wish that they did for it with Battle Cat. Looks like our sorceress passed out in the background. But at least they learned from their mistake and made up for it with Stridor, as that looks pretty cool and is actually really fun to pose. Well, and there's Stridor with Fisto rocking the driver's seat. As a lot of us old school Masters of the Universe fans will remember, Stridor did come in a 2-pack with Fisto, and also Night Stalker came in a 2-pack with Jitsu. So we wonder if we're going to see Night Stalker. I mean, there's no reason why we shouldn't. I believe he was the same sculpt as Stridor, just with a different body paint. Well, here we go for a side-by-side comparison. And, you know, I mean, they're pretty much the same design with, again, the exception of the old one. The legs do not articulate or bend in any way. And you don't have this cool paint on the eye that the new one has. And the helmet does come off, but you don't get this snazzy new one. I wonder if the new one would fit on the old one. And it actually does kind of nicely. That's pretty cool that they're swappable, you know, and you could stick the blast effect, I'm sure, on the vintage one as well. You sure can. So, pretty cool. You know, he's basically Stridor reimagined, just with some new features. I mean, the head does not articulate in any way on the old one, whereas on the new one, you get you know, a little something to work with here. There's not a whole lot of articulation or movement, but there's something. All right, here's one thing I wanted to add that, you know, Stridor was usually seen with Fisto in the old days, but one thing that I thought was a missed opportunity, here's a Motu character most don't know. This is Rio Blast, and Rio Blast was kind of like the, you know, like a space cowboy, you know? I mean, I always thought it was a mistake not to give him a cowboy hat, but I mean, you just think of him like a cowboy with laser guns, you know? Quick draw, bam, bam, bam. Oh, you don't like that? Well, how about another one? Huh? Quick draw. Oh, yeah, and quick draw on the legs. Oh, yeah, and quick draw up here. You know, and it just boom, 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 boom. You know, Rio Blast was awesome. You know, the chest piece opened up too, but mine is kind of broken. Oopsie. But, yeah, laser cannon there. Just my inner piece is broken there, but... You know, I was hoping maybe motuorigins could throw a Rio Blast at us there. That would be a lot of fun. You know, he goes really well with the cowboy theme there and with the wild robot space horse. You know, and he's at the cybernetic parts. I don't know how he lives with a big giant hole in his chest where guns come out. But, you know, that's kind of the fun thing with Masters of the Universe. And quite honestly, a lot of Motu collectors, you know, Rio Blast is getting kind of expensive and hard to find with all his pieces. I got real lucky and found this one in a secondhand store. A guy gave me a good deal on him. But anyways, Joneser says motuorigins needs a Rio Blast. And Rio Blast is the real cowboy that enjoys the horses. So until next time.